Into Math textbook, page 30. 30. We're going to read the top. Build understanding. Caleb has 13 pretzels. He eats 5 of the pretzels. How many pretzels does he have now? Okay, so he has 13 pretzels. 13, I'm going to circle that. And he eats 5 of the pretzels. So is that adding or subtracting? If you eat 5 of the pretzels, they're going away. Okay, so that will be subtraction. Caleb has 13 pretzels. He eats 5 of the pretzels. How many pretzels does he have now? Part A. You can subtract in steps to use a tens fact. Mark 13 on the number line. Here's 13. Okay, it's right here, 13. And this is the number of pretzels he had. How many do you need to subtract or jump back to get the number 10? This time we're going to jump back 1 jump to make 12, 2 jumps to make 11, 3 jumps to make 10. So that's 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps. 13 minus those 3 jumps, 13 minus 3, gives us a difference of 10. Part B. How can you break apart the 5 to find how many more you need to subtract? Okay, let's look. So they're taking 13 right here, and he's going to eat 5. Okay, so it's subtract again. I'm going to draw that out over here too, guys. Sometimes this helps us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take away 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that'll leave us with this. That's our difference. But they want to know how we can break apart 5. Well, in the number 5, 3 plus a number equals 5. What is that number? 3 plus a number equals 5. So if you said 3 plus 2 equals 5, you are right. Our 5, it can be broken down to look like this. Do you remember this from earlier in the book? In 5, you have a 3 and a 2. So these would be add-ins if we were adding to get that 5, okay? And that would be the sum. That would be 3 plus 2 equals a sum of 5. But don't worry. I think we might be able to see our answer, our difference right here. Let's go to part C next. Use the number line to show how many more you need to subtract. Okay, so they subtracted the first 1 pretzel, the first 2 pretzels, the first 3 pretzels, but he ate 5. Okay, 4 pretzels gone. Now he's starting to get full and he eats 1 more, 5 pretzels gone. And that takes him to 8. So if we're right, there should be 8 pretzels left. This should be our difference. Let's look here at our difference. 13 pretzels, and he ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 minus 5 equals a difference of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 13 minus 5 equals 8. 8. So we did that. We used the number line to subtract. Now, part D. What tens fact can you use to find the difference? Here they want you to understand that 10 is kind of like a helpful, friendly, magical number. For a lot of us, it's easier to add and subtract using tens, or what we now call the base 10 system, or place value, okay? But the number 10 is kind of easy for a lot of us because we can count by tens, right? Like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Or we should know that 5 plus 5 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 2 is 8, 10 minus 3 is 7. So it's very important to know how to make 10, okay, or how to add or subtract from 10. That will be very helpful for you. Part D, what tens fact can you use to find the difference? Well, 10 minus 2, 10 take away 2, 10 subtracting 2, and gives us a difference of 8, remember? All right, we saw 8 here on our number line when we counted back. 5 pretzels, 1 pretzel, 2 pretzels, 3 pretzels, 4 pretzels, 5. Gave us a difference of 8. We drew it out over here, and when we did 13 and ate 5 of these pretzels, we counted 8 left as our difference. And now we used a tens fact. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Okay? Now, one way we can check this is by trying 8, which is our difference, plus the 2 we subtracted right here, okay, to find out if that would equal 10, and it does. So when we want to check our math, we do the opposite operation. If we're adding, we can subtract to check our work. And if we're subtracting, we can add to check our work. Part E, find the difference. So difference is an answer to a subtraction problem. We're subtracting here, 13 minus 5. Now check this out. It's right up here. 13 minus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many pretzels does Caleb have now? He has 8 pretzels. Turn and talk. We're just going to think about this. How does using a number line, which is this, how does using a number line help you solve the problem? How would you explain this? Can you explain it?